Hi everyone, this is Perry Trade and thank you for watching my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos where I provide more insight into my trading strategies. So in today's video, I want to go ahead and answer two questions that I received on my last video. Let me go to show you the comments. So the first question was, thanks for the video, would be great to watch you trade while giving us your thought processes while setup are forming. My response was, I appreciate the suggestion. I'm unable to trade live, provide commentary simultaneously since I have a full-time job. My trading routine involves executing trade when I receive signals throughout the day and then do voiceover and more detailed commentary in the evening. This schedule allows me to manage both my job and trading commitment effectively. So exactly what I'm doing now, I trade live when I get my signals or all my conditions are met, record them, then in the evening time, I do voiceover and provide my commentary when I take those trades. So the second comment was the indicators. Where can I find them? Thanks. So my response is, thanks for your comment. I want to let you know that the squeeze, the double stochastic, and the trend ribbon indicators are all available on the NinjaTrader 8 site. The other indicators that I have created are not publicly available right now. I will be at some point. Right now I'm just working on disclaimers. I have other indicators I've created, strategies I've created. I'm trying to collectively finalize the development of those strategies and indicators, and then I will be posting them on my website to be available to the public. So I encourage you to subscribe to my channel, and so when that is rolled out on my site, you could be the first one to be informed. So just remember to subscribe so you won't miss out on those. So in today's video, I want to go ahead and talk about really quickly the market. Today the market bounced back. Last week was a very rough week. Tech stock led the recovery. The geopolitical concern about the Middle East, I guess, seemed to kind of ease. I think Iran said they didn't want to, escalate anything further. The Dow Jones today rose by 254 points. The S&P went up 0.87%. The NASDAQ was up 1%. So, I believe last week was like a 6-day losing streak. So now, looking ahead, major companies like Tesla, Meta Platform, American Airlines, Microsoft, and Alphabet all are set to release their earnings this week. So I guess we're going to be keeping an eye on that. And also too, remember, we have the anticipation for economic news that's coming out later this week, also too, with GDP figures expected on this Thursday. And this is a critical inflation measure. Personal consumption, I believe 2 weeks ago, the consumer price index went up by 3.5%. So that's also going to be due on Friday. So these indexes are key indicators for which the Fed used to determine, the interest rate. So those meetings are next week, April 30th and May 1st. So we'll just look out for those. So on the chart, what you're seeing, a trade that I had entered based on my strategy. So you can see here that I have the Perry shade, which I've explained in my previous video. I also have the trend vol composite index. So whenever the green crosses, that is a indication that I should go into the trade as long as I'm not in a squeeze. And the trend ribbon below is all green, and that my stochastic is above the 10 level. not necessarily above the 10 level, but I use it mostly so that I can exit. Well, it lets me know when I'm at the end of a trend, and also when as soon as it slopes, then that means then I should exit the trade right away, or it will stop me out. So those are the conditions. And sometimes you'll see me move my stop loss closer to the price. And also it moves automatically based on the ATR. And if I feel that trend is about to end, then I'll just squeeze out some more profit. I encourage you to watch the video all the way to the end so you can see the profits. And also, please remember to like and subscribe. And if you're subscribed, you'll be the first to be notified when I roll out my strategies and indicators. So again, I want to thank you for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye.